Hey, video creators, welcome back to UniFab's channel. In your daily vlogs, do you feel annoyed because you don't capture clear faces? So, do you want to know how to enhance the clarity of faces and give videos a new lease of life? Today I will introduce UniFab Face Enhancer AI, which can easily help you enhance the faces in the video. The operation is very simple and one click can make your video clear. Let's get started. First, head over to UniFab's official website to download the software for free. I've added the free download link in the description below. You can see many AI functions on the homepage. We select Face Enhancer AI and import the video. Next, you don't even need to do anything. The system will automatically identify the clarity of the video. Currently, UniFab intelligently performs enhancement under the same resolution. Next, on the right side of the software, you can trim and preview the video. Finally, select the export location and click Start. We can see that the effect of UniFab Face Enhancer AI is just right. The colors in the video are natural and the details are rich. At the same time, the video quality has been significantly improved. The faces of the characters are very clear and look very real. If you have any thoughts or experiences with this software, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.